I'm fucking done. I can't fucking wait for this shit, man.
Mom, I love you.
I'm done.
P.O.P. all the time.
I'm done.
Order filled.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Payout Pete here, back with another trade review. Today's plan was pretty straightforward. We've sold off tremendously. By the time I got on, we were already trading under weekly open, and we've already built the POC underneath the open, underneath the weekly open. And so there's only really two trade ideas. We either stay below weekly open and continue to build in here, or we fall back in and build above and use this area here in the 560s as a pivot area. So let's drop on down to the 5-minute. So I got on first trade of the day. I was looking for shorts because the POC was already built at around 505 at the time, and we just couldn't build back above this inflection point. Every time it came in here, it wicked off once, twice, 3 times. On the third attempt, that was when I was on. They came in here, didn't build any volume, sold off, and so I put a limit order here on the pullback to get in short. Peeled off most of it at 2-3R, held one runner for IB low break that eventually got stopped out, break even. But we started forming higher lows, and so I was waiting to see if we can build back in above here and maybe long this area, which I did try. I tried it twice, didn't work out. And so at this point, if this was the area, if this was the inflection point where the buyers had to hold and keep building above and they couldn't do it, then I think we'd likely revisit the lows again. IB break didn't happen yet, so that was something that was on my mind. And so eventually I flipped short once we fell back underneath the 9 EMA, and I got stopped out twice here on long attempts here. And then it sold off twice after the second time. I was like, all right, I gotta try this short. I tried a short right here after the second tap of the 9 EMA. This trade right here, I guess I got in early, got stopped out, re-entered right above it. And then we started building back lower. Ultimately the long term, or the target, was pretty much an IB low break, and so I looked for areas I could reoffer. Weekly open is a very good level, typically pretty reactive. Came back up into it, snapped right off of it, so I entered short. Tried it twice, trying to get these IB low breaks, and I kept getting round tripped. Eventually, after about 4 taps of the weekly open, it eventually broke through. I thought I was done after this trade, actually, but it came back up here and had a very, very strong reaction again, so I had to get short one last time. This one I was a little bit more tight with my TPs. I took some off at 1R and 2R just so I could pay for the trade, but at the time, this area was so big below the 500s, I was scared that this was going to be some sort of very small, like a 1-minute time frame sort of head and shoulders reversal. So I moved my stop to break even. I mean, had I left it at the original stop, which was this area here, I would eventually tag the IB low, but I got to manage risk. Well, stay for the rest of the trade. Stay for the rest of the video if you guys want to watch how the trades played out live. Thanks for watching.
Order filled.
Mom, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mom, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Order filled. Order filled.
Damn. And chopped up.
Order filled.
Watch, it will pay. I may have been early, but I'm not wrong.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. What am I doing?
Order filled.
Mama, I love you. P.O.P. all the time. Mama, I love you.
I'm
P.O.P.
done.
all the time.
I'm done.
Order filled.